In summer, we use more water, up to 57 million litres per day. That's about 1.5 times more than we use at other times of the year. This is mainly because of our outdoor water use and because we have more visitors staying here. We water our garden and lawns more. We wash our cars and boats more. But we can only treat so much water each day. The water we treat goes to the reservoirs throughout the city and gets used within a day or two. So the more water we use, the harder our treatment plants have to work. We're building a third water treatment plant for our growing city, which will be supplying water in 2021. In the meantime, we need everyone to do their bit to save water. There's enough to go around if we all use water wisely. Find out more at tauranga.govt.nz/saving water.